Hello, good afternoon. This is my apple. It's already bearing flower. This is a good quality of apple. This is a big variety. It's a Green Smith. And here it's the same, but this is a red apple. And also my nursery, my lettuce. It's a variety of Puidicine. And this one is a Italian oregano. It's a lot of usage for me because I use it for the sauce, especially for the spaghetti. This one is the flower of onion leaves. And here we have this is a variety of a mint. This is a Moroccan mint. This is a prune. It's bearing already flowers. Same. I will show you by the way my different kind of sage. First, I show you the chocolate mint. This is a chocolate mint. You see, it's violet under. And this one is a green sage. Then I have the variegated sage because I have only 3 kinds. And this one is the violet one. This kind of leaves, they are different and also different. There is differ also in the taste and smell. We use this very often in a tea, mixed with tea. The tea, it's composed of vervain, 2 kinds of mint, the Moroccan mint and the chocolate mint. I mix the 3 kinds of sage. The ordinary one, it means the local one here, common is the green leaves, the violet, and the green over there. That one. And also, I have also, since I'm Asian, from Philippines, I'm proud to say I'm from Philippines. Mabuhay Philippines. This one, this is a garlic leaves. I use that usually and mostly in a pancit. And all these garlic truck. This is in the front. My roses. Tulips. And that is my celery. Very good smell celery. camellia. I'm very proud to present you my camellia japonica in aqua white. I have the japonica camellia and red. Here we are. Very soon they will have a flower. This one is a cherry. It's a pear. This is the city of Lamblor. And this one is a Russian cherry. This is a very good variety and full of blossom now. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. It's Tita Yagi channel.